Your question number 6. Is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Your answer is yes, it is possible to separate a mixture of sugar and wheat flour. This can be done by the process of sieving. If the mixture of sugar and wheat flour is allowed to pass through sieve, then the fine wheat flour particles would pass through the sieve. The sugar particles, which are bigger than the sieve holes, would be retained by the sieve. Now come to your next question, question number 7. How would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? Your answer is clear water can be obtained from sample of muddy water by the method of filtration. In this method, the sample of muddy water is passed through a cloth having fine pores or through a filter paper. Clear water will pass through the filtering medium, leaving behind the mud. Your question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Bit A. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called as threshing. B. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. C. Salt is obtained from sea water by the process of evaporation. Then D. Impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in the example is called sedimentation and decantation. Then question number 9 is your true or false. Bit A. A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. It is false. Then bit B. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. It is also false. Then your next bit C. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. It is false. Then last bit grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. It is also false. Your question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case, would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? Here, we should add sugar before adding ice, as sugar dissolves in warm water more quickly than in cold water. So, we can add more sugar in warm water.